Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Spoken English by Savi. I hope you are doing well and safe. And guys, first of all, thank you so much for showing your support to my YouTube channel. And I also want to request you, see if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, so please go and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the notifications. And if you have not watched my previous videos, please watch them also and share your comments with me, share your opinion with me. In today's video, I'll be sharing some mispronounced words with you and I'll also pronounce the same for you. So just stay tuned with this video and watch it till the end. So these are the mispronounced words, right? We'll be covering 25 mispronounced words and the first word is C. It's AISLE, right? So what you say is ASL, right? But it's not ASL, not at all, right? It's I'll write it for you over here. It's I'll, right? The next word is BUFFET. So what you say is buffet, but it's not buffet, it's buffet. Buffet. The next word is BOWL. So people usually say it as bowl, but it's not bowl, it's bowl. Bowl. The next word is CACHE. What people say is catch. No, it's cachet. Cachet, right? The next word is COUPON. People say it as coupon, but it's not coupon, it's coupon. Coupon. The next one is DECENT. People say it as decent, but it's not decent, it's decent. Decent, right? Next one is DESSERT. People say it desert, but it's not desert, not at all, it's dessert. Dessert. The next one is CLEANSER. People say it cleanser, but it's not cleanser, my friends, it's cleanser. 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 Next one is CASTLE. So you must have seen that people say it as castle, but it's not castle, it's castle. Now the next one, which is very commonly used, BREAKFAST. So you say it as breakfast, but it's not breakfast, it's breakfast. Breakfast, right? The next one is ENVELOPE. We use it very commonly, but it's mispronounced. You might have said it envelope or envelope, but it's not that. It's envelope. Envelope, right? The next one is ENTREPRENEUR. So I think you must have mispronounced it, right? You could have said it entrepreneur, but it's not that, it's entrepreneur. It's entrepreneur. So now we are halfway done. Almost halfway done, because we have to cover 25 words and it's almost it's almost 12 words till now. So before we proceed further, I know that you must have learned something or the other from this one, from these 12 words. कुछ ना कुछ new तो you have learned, right? So if you have learned anything new and if you are liking this video till now, please watch it till the end. Also, don't forget to hit a like button, okay? Do tell me in the comment section below that which new word have you learned. So now moving to the next words. Keeping this aside, let's move to the 13th word, which is Generic. See, I think this word is mostly used, है ना? Most of the people have used it but always mispronounced. So let me tell you the real pronunciation of this. Till now you could have said it generic or generic. No, not any one of these, right? The real pronunciation is generic. Yes, it's generic. Also guys, let me tell you, please don't judge me on the Hindi part. I mean the matras and all. It might be wrong, but the pronunciation is like this only, okay? I'm just writing it in Hindi only for your learning, for your reference, right? The pronunciation goes like this only. So now moving forward to the 14th one, it is Letuce. So guys, while eating pizzas or burgers, right, you must have heard of this one, Letuce, and you might have pronounced it as well, but obviously wrong. Or you might have pronounced it as lettuce or lettuce. No, it's lettuce. Lettuce. There is very slight difference between both, but still you have to work on that slight difference also, na? So it is Letuce is lettuce. Now moving to the next word, Onion, right? We use it every day in our homes, in our food. So what is the correct pronunciation of it is onion. It's onion. Okay. And now this one, most common amongst the boys, isn't it? Moustache. So tell me in the comment section, what have you pronounced it, right? In that section, you just tell me what you usually pronounce this word. And I'll be telling you the correct pronunciation of it. And the correct pronunciation is like mustache. Okay? It's mustache. Yeah. And now, moving to the next word, Pseudonym. Pseudonym. So what is the correct pronunciation? It is pseudonym, right? It's pseudonym. Yeah. And next this one, Pharmacy. Pharmacy. So the correct pronunciation is pharmacy, right? R silent. It's pharmacy. And now the word pronunciation itself. So I've seen most of the people who generally pronounce it as pronunciation. No, there is a difference between pronoun and pronunciation. So pronounce is different and pronunciation is different. The correct pronunciation is like this only. Pronunciation. You don't have to say it pronunciation, okay? It's pronunciation. And next, the very common word, right? So in today's world, these are very common. So what are these? It's meme, right? Not meme or not mem, it's meme. Yeah. So now left with these 5 words only, right? 21 to 25, these 5 words only. So let me tell you the pronunciation of these as well. So whenever you go in a hotel or on any vacation, you always book it, right? And what's the pronunciation? It's sweet, right? It's sweet, not suit or not sweet, it's sweet. Not exactly wo, but still it's sweet. And the next one, it's like stomach. It's stomach. Okay. And now this, the very common mistake which I always see that people make. So what is the correct pronunciation for this? It's not woman or it's not women, it's women. Women, right? And the next one, mostly used in the business language or whenever you buy something, it's like receipt. Receipt. P silent over here. Okay, you don't have to say it receipt, it's receipt. And then the last one, the last pronunciation for today, it's restaurant. Restaurant. You don't have to say it's restaurant. No, it's restaurant. Okay. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel if you have not done it till now. And like and share my video with your loved ones. Also guys, if you want me to cover any specific topic, please do say tell me in the comment section below. And if you like this video, please pour into your love with the comments. You can also follow me on YouTube and Instagram for more such content. It's written over here, Spoken English by Savi, my Instagram handle. So at a glance, the 25 words are right here in front of you. You can have a look over it again. So this is all for today and hope to see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.